Hello, Susykins and Susie Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Susie. Who is opening of a world? And you can acknowledge me as a head of the Susie Buffet. So welcome back to another food review today. So today we got my dad made this dinner. Thank you for my dad, by the way. Because we having salad and some bread. If you love that stuff, this is becomes below. I know it's healthy because my parents want to get their stomach here to be not his fat stomach, but my family my parents wants this to be not in shape or get fit. But dude, for me, no. I wait for California or Florida to be WWE superstar or to be famous to give my songs out. I want my own songs now, and I want to give my songs out, and you guys will listen to it, and you can after that you can see me backstage or be in the stands watching me sing my songs, and I will for, dance with my songs and to be epic. So please comment below if you are a songwriter or a manager or that personal steps personal may do some goes below. So that's why. So we got let's go into our review today here. Alrighty. We got salads here. Alrighty. Let's say sushi, yeah, this is wait. Let's do a chicken. Let's do a chicken. You guys. Sushi, yeah, this is this. That is good. Chicken salad. Wow. Chicken is chewy. Salad is crunchy. And that's my favorite of the dumpling. What's your favorite dressings on the salad? This is goes below. And then we got some boy here. I usually eat some bread right here in the middle because I love butter. I never tried fried butter. I was in the comments below. In the comments below, I want to eat fried butter. Please, in the comment section, come on. So sushi, yeah, this is this. That's good stuff. Wow. And that is it because it's going so I don't know why. But yeah. So basically dinner here was amazing. I can use walking stick. If I could stand this, look at that. See the silver stick with me. Look at that. Boom. Oh yeah. Maybe that's epic. So and then I wasn't resource available to place again because that show is phenomenal. So that's why. And yeah, I'm supporting my blog from it's just pay attention though. You can check it out. I continue to edit. And after that, I'm good. So tonight it's NXT and I watched that and the other guys what's going on. So yeah, and that is it guys, yo. I'm sorry y'all. So thank you for watching our videos. You can do this. You can sub a like, comment, and subscribe. And don't on yo. Don't forget a spell. Never miss a upload. And please One second, and the boss. Sponsor me on this YouTube channel. This kids YouTube channel. And agents and friends too, please. And please, let us share out to family and your friends. And please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Substack, TikTok, and Twitter. And you're done with that, I have two words for you. Sushi. Yeah!